In this tutorial we are going to continue with the components of MS Access. Now the different components of MS Access 2016 are the ribbon, title bar, quick access toolbar, document, tabs bar, navigation pane, record search bar, record navigation bar and the status bar. Okay, so some of the bars here you will find in all, like this ribbon, this title bar, this status bar. So these all you will find in all. So here, as you can see, quick access toolbar, ribbon, title bar, status bar and zoom slider perform the same function in other Microsoft Office applications. So these are common in all Microsoft Office applications. So let's learn about the components which are only present in MS Access 2016. The first one is the navigation pane. So the navigation pane displays the objects data grouped by type in the database. To open an object, double click it. To hide the navigation pane, click the double arrows on the right corner. Okay, so this is the navigation pane. Okay, the next, record navigation bar. So the record navigation bar allows you to navigate through records one at a time. So you can click on it and you can one by one see different records. So click the arrow to navigate the records. To jump to a specific record, type the ID number into the white box. So by typing the ID number, means 1 2 3 4, you can get to a particular record. The next, record search box. So in the record search box you can type the record which you want to search. Okay, so is used to search for any term in the current object. The first result that matches your search will appear highlighted with the yellow border. The navigation, to navigate through additional results, press the enter key. So you have to press the enter key to navigate to the different results. The next, document tabs bar. So all open objects are displayed on the documents tabs bar. To view an object, click on the tab, click the close button on the right end of the bar to close the current tab, and to see more tabs, click the arrow. So document tabs bar is mainly used to display the different tabs. Okay, the next, creating and saving a table. So how to create and save a table. So tables store all the data of the database. To create table, follow the steps. So first of all, you have to click on the create tab in the tables group, then click table. A new table named table 1 appears. So here, first of all, if by default table 1 is already there, if you close this table or delete this table, then again table 1 will appear, otherwise table 2 will appear. The next, go to file, then click on save. Save as dialog box will appear. Then you have to give a table name like this. Okay, step 3, and then you have to click on OK. The next, rules of naming different fields. So how you have to name different columns. Okay, so different fields. So the field name should not be more than 64 characters. The field name can include lowercase, uppercase or mixed case letters, numbers and underscore. So you can have underscore, uppercase, lowercase, okay, and numbers. The next, it cannot have a period, that is dot, exclamation mark or square brackets. It cannot start with a space, blank space. So it cannot start with a space. So these are some of the rules of naming the different fields or the columns. The next is entering data into a table. So to enter data, you have to just type here and the data is already inserted. So click the table where the data have to be entered. On the home tab in the views group, click on the view drop down arrow. So you have to click on this view arrow, okay, this one. Then select the design view option from the drop down menu. So you have to select the design view Then the table opens in the design view. Enter the name of the field name. So you have to enter the name of these field names. Then press the tab key to move to the data type column. So you have to then give the data type. Then click the drop down arrow in the data type column and select the data type. So you have to select the data type after clicking on here. This auto number is already written here. The next, similarly, enter other field names and type the data type. So you have to give the different data types of that particular column. Okay, so in this way you can give different columns, you can create different you can add different columns, and then you have to select the data type. So to add the field names, follow these steps. So these are the different steps to enter the field names. So if you want to enter the data, then you can just type your data here. Okay, so that much for this tutorial. Thank you.